Adisa, this is Alexander. I'd like to report a rooster.
What's the problem?
There's a rooster in my backyard. Hello? What I don't get is why I can't seem to get to the one number of somebody who can help me with my specific problem.
Well, you have to call the all-animal hotline.
I did. There's no answer.
Is it your rooster?
Why would I report my own rooster? Hello?
They've got people like you calling all day with exotic animal dilemmas. You have to keep trying.
I did keep trying.
I'm sorry. I think all the chicken pounds are full.
Okay. Is there another route we can go here?
I can give you the number of the city rescue service.
Is that a rooster rescue service?
A rooster?
Yes, a rooster.
Please hold a moment. This is the supervisor. What exactly seems to be the problem?
There's a rooster in the courtyard of my building.
How extraordinary.
Yes, it is. The noise is driving me crazy.
You haven't done anything to the rooster, have you?
No, I haven't.
Excellent. Excellent. We wouldn't want to exacerbate the problem.
Cigarettes.
Pack.
Carton.
ID.
It's not even morning, you idiot!
Come on, partner.
I don't know if this is such a good idea.
What's the matter? You chicken?
Lady K, my man.
It's a good weapon, yo.
Is this a good weapon, yo?
I understand your concern. It's obvious that you're a man who requires stopping power. I mean, it's not like you're going out to shoot birds. No, don't touch.
Okay, man. This is really dumb. All right, how about this? I'll give you one last chance.
Hey, Jessica. It's Alexander. I realized that I'm not that smart. I don't think. I do stupid things. And, I'm sorry for not calling you back. I'm wondering if you can come get me. Please pick up if you're there.
So, what are you gonna do now?
I don't know. I was thinking about going to Chicago. You want to come with me?
Don't act stupid.